Namaste, namaste, namaste. Today we are to talk free about a topic which many of you may believe or may not believe. इसीलिए हमने सोचा क्यों ना टॉक फ्री के चैनल पर इस पर भी बात की जाए, वास्तु.
We have heard so much about इस डायरेक्शन में एंट्री होना चाहिए, ऐसे सोना चाहिए, यहाँ वर्शिप करना चाहिए, इस जोन में ये नहीं होना चाहिए एंड गॉड नोन ऐसी कितनी सारे चीजें हैं.
ट्रू, वी हैव हर्ड कितनी ही बार कि उस घर का वास्तु अच्छा है तो कितना गुड लक आया, वहां का खराब है तो कोई काम नहीं होता.
एंड आई थिंक सिर्फ ये इंडिया में वास्तु नहीं है, इट्स देयर एवरीवेयर. इट हैज डिफरेंट नेम्स एंड डिफरेंट रूल्स, बट यस इट इज देयर. नाउ इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द पीपल टू व्हिच एक्सटेंट दे बिलीव इट.
Whenever people buys flats or office, they definitely want to check the basic vastu, the bare minimum as we may call it. हर जोन का अपना significance है. The little which I understand about it, whether it is east or north or south or west.
Sanjay, again, for a few it matters, but for others it is just a mind game.
Exactly. मानो तो देव, नहीं तो पत्थर. ये वही वाली बात है. But yes, scientifically it has been proven that the various energies in architecture, they bring opportunities and luck and vice versa. It is all about energy.
The way people have energy, similarly places also have, where we keep what. See, ultimately how hard you work, how well you think brings things in your favor. But yes, there is always some invisible force or energy, as you wish to call it, they too govern us.
Exactly. To discuss Vastu, we have an expert who will definitely broaden your perspective.
We have with us Satya Prabhu, the dynamic Vastu consultant. She is extremely passionate about her career, which is to help her clients make the right decision during every step of life by re-energize, reorganize, and reorient the living environment for better health and happiness. She started her career after getting married and gained momentum solely because of her persistence and positive energy, which she gained it by way of meditation and visualization. We welcome you to Talk Free, ma'am.
Thank you, Preeti and Sanjay. Thank you so much for inviting me. It's my pleasure to be in your show. Thank you.
Coming straight to today's first question, ma'am, it literally gives me goosebumps after hearing this. Is Vastu real? Can you explain it in simple words?
Yes, Vastu is definitely real. It is about it is not about belief, it is about science. It is just to follow the rule of nature. It is not about being lucky, or it's not about being unlucky, shubh or ashubh. It is every emotion and behavior is controlled by the built-in space where you live in. The whole universe is made of 5 elements. Your body is made up of 5 elements. And the building where we stay is a manifestation of 5 elements. So Vastu is about balancing of 5 elements. So definitely it's a science. It's not about real or unreal. Whether you believe it or not, do not believe it. I can give you one simple example.
Sure.
When we go to a shopping mall, in a particular shop, you shop impulsively. You buy things which you do not want to buy. And when you come home and you realize that I have actually did impulsive shopping.
Right.
In the other case, you go for shopping and then you want that thing and you get it for lesser price, but you don't end up buying. So the place, that space of that particular place plays on your mind, and that is why that is happening.
Okay. So everything is Vastu.
Yes. Why we go to temple? Why we go to? क्यों आपके घर का मंदिर is not listening to all your wishes? So why you feel that you should go to temple? सबके घर में मंदिर होता है, लेकिन हम मंदिर में क्यों जाते हैं? Because most of the temples are built as per Vastu, and their energy is so strong. As you enter, your chakra starts getting activated, and that is why you start feeling positive. And you, when you fold your hands and you are aligned with the universe, and that is why you start manifesting. And same energies can be brought in your house too, once you balance the house as per Vastu.
Okay. So this is Vastu is scientific in nature. There is nothing to be superstitious about.
It is not about superstition at all. Yes.
People do get confused.
People do get
Yeah.
confused. Yes, right.
Yeah, they do confuse with a belief or superstition, but it is not a superstition. It is a pure science.
Ma'am, you deal in Astro Vastu. What exactly is Astro Vastu? Like I've heard it for the first time.
Okay. So when I do Vastu for a particular house or commercial place or any space, so there are four people in a house. Okay. So one of them is saying, "Ma'am, सब कुछ अच्छा हो गया, everything is fine, but still I'm struggling with the opportunities. मुझे job opportunities फिर भी नहीं मिल रही है." So then what I see is his astrology. So for example, he is struggling with opportunities. So there are 16 zones in your house, and out of that, each zone is governed by planet. For example, now North is a zone of opportunity, and he is struggling with opportunity. That particular zone is governed by Mercury. So I will check in his astrology why is the reason for his struggle for that opportunity. And if that planet is giving trouble to him, I will give him some gemstone or some kind of donation or some kind of mantra. Because there are each and everything in your house that are planets. Mercury is two look alike things or green color thing, anything it can be. So if I remove for one person, it's going to affect the other. So I cannot remove that particular thing, but I can definitely give some kind of donation or gemstone to that particular person related to his problem.
Okay, so this is Astro Vastu.
Yes.
Depending upon the member of the house, not changing
Yes.
the entire Vastu, but giving an alternate solution.
No. After doing Vastu.
After doing
Yes.
Vastu, yes.
Yes. After changing the whole Vastu, if one person is saying he is
Yes.
having this particular problem,
Correct.
his problem is not solved.
Correct.
Yes.
Then to cater to his need, you just align with it.
Yes.
So you need to have knowledge for both Vastu and astrology.
Yes. How I do Vastu is, I will be telling you in a later of your questions. Exactly how I do Vastu, I'll let
Sure.
you know. I will speak about it.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in what areas does Vastu help people?
Vastu can help in to attract money, awaken healing energies, clarity of mind, control abnormal behavior, create financial security, getting fame, heal depressions, improve grades. Like, I feel each and every problem in your life is only because of us. You believe or you do not believe. I have been doing so many cases. Literally, sometimes I am surprised how I could give result. You know, people
Yes.
get married in 4 days. If someone is not conceiving from 8, 8, 9 years, as soon as I do the vastu, she conceives. I was telling about my daughter's experience that day. Like, she was not ready to shift in another. She was working hard for her studies. If a child says how much ever efforts he's putting, but he's not getting result, that means he's studying in the wrong zone. If some parent tells me उसका concentration ही नहीं होता है studies में, उसका मतलब west of southwest the zone of education, there has to be some kind of gadgets उसका कोई गेम होगा या कुछ होगा जिसकी वजह से ही इज गेटिंग अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स दैट. आप वहां पे बुक्स रखते हो तो वो ही विल गेट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स बुक्स एंड ही विल actually get interest in studies. So same thing I did with my daughter. In 12th standard, I kept all her books in west of southwest,
Okay.
and just one book I didn't keep. And she was struggling with that. And then I proved her, see, this is the reason why you are struggling with that subject. Rest, she's saying, Mama, I'm feeling so easy all the subjects now. This is the magic of Vastu. How you can use each zone. कैसे आप यूज कर सकते हो each zone. You have to activate by asking that zone.
You act-
Vastu is wonderful.
so you activate each zones according to the scientific principles as we discussed earlier.
Yes, yes,
ये तो कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है, जो भी याद करते हैं भूल जाते हैं, स्टूडेंट लोग के लिए सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम.
yes, yes.
Okay. So Vastu helps in every area of life.
Yeah.
जो भी blockages
Even in
है वो
business.
सब clear हो जाएंगे and you can live a
हाँ, blocked,
happy life.
yeah, all your blocked money is a reason for it.
Like
Blocked
मैम,
money reason. Yeah, बोलिए.
like मैम, आई हैव हर्ड कि जब पढ़ाई करें तो हमें नॉर्थ के डायरेक्शन में बैठ के पढ़ना चाहिए. ऐसा क्यों?
See, when you north के direction में, when you are doing higher studies, but till 8 to 10 standard, you should study in west of southwest. That is a zone of subconscious mind.
Okay.
North is for opportunities. You can face north, but you should sit in that zone and study. Or you should face east. Yeah. So when someone says, कि मेरा all my money is blocked, I am not getting opportunities. All these questions are related to all Vastu. When I go and meet a person, when he talks about his problems, what I do is I write the problem. I know which zone I have to check.
Okay. Is Vastu religion specific or can it be applied by any religion?
Uh, Vastu is not about religion. Vastu can be done by anyone. Vastu is about energies, right? So
Right.
energy doesn't understand the religion. For example, when sun is giving us energy, so the sun thing, the sun gives us energy as per the religion. Everyone takes it, right?
Right.
So the energies are in everyone's house, irrespective of whether whatever the religions are.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. Energies are energies. Once you start staying in a house, it is definitely going to affect you in a good way or a bad way. It's there everywhere. So it's not about religion. So that is why my focus, I always try to tell people, it is science. It's purely science of 5 elements. Balancing of 5 elements is Vastu. People want to complicate it with giving, by religion. It is not about religion. I can
Indians are
guarantee
good
you.
in getting religion into everything. So इस वास्तु
Yes.
में भी हमने religion को ले आया.
Huh. So there is a story behind it. That is why people think it is a religious thing, but it is not a
Not.
religious thing.
Yes, as you
No.
discussed, it's about 5 elements. So 5 elements belongs to everyone.
Yeah, it belongs to everyone. The whole that's how I told you. The universe is made of 5 elements. Our body is made of 5 elements.
5 elements.
Yeah. So it is not about any religion.
Ma'am, do colors also matter in Vastu? What basic colors should people keep in mind?
Yeah. So colors play major role in Vastu. Major role in Vastu. I have seen people say they have their house is Vastu compliant, but when the colors are not used in the right place, they are having lot of issues. Even if you balance the house, if the colors are not right, definitely that house is going to have problems. Because each direction has each element and it has one color. For example, north is water, so it has blue color. East is air element, it is
Okay.
green color. South is fire element, so it has red color. West is, you know, yellow color, so it is earth. And northwest is space, so it has white color. So if you interchange this color, the whole five elements are based on cycle of creation, right? Water creates fire, fire creates air. So water creates air creates fire, fire creates earth creates space. And this is how, this is the cycle of creation. This is the water creates air creates fire, fire creates earth creates space. If you go ulta, reverse, it is definitely going to affect the vastu.
Baapre. This
Yes,
seems to be a complex process.
yes. That is why it is called scientific vastu. It is not
Scientific.
about belief. Yeah. Again, I will say this is about balancing of five elements. Vastu is balancing of five elements. If, for example, in your body also, if there is more heat, you will get acidity. You have to balance it, right?
Right.
Yeah. If you have pitta, pitta is heat. So you have to balance it. Sardi khasi hoti hai, so you have to balance it because it is imbalance of five elements. That is why you are getting it. When you balance all these five elements in the right place, everything is fine. So, for example, one of the houses I did, so they had blue color in south. The whole room was blue in south, which is a zone of fire. The color should be red. So they have put blue color. And in north, blue color should be there. They have put the whole wall is in red color. So lot of confusion in their house. The daughter-in-law was having thyroid issues. Boys were lazy. They were not doing anything. And the person in the house was not getting opportunities. He was due for his promotion, but he was not getting. A lot of fights in the house. So this happens when you use wrong color at the wrong place. The moment I balanced the whole house to cream, everything was fine. Her one son got admission, job in Google. The other
Okay.
is doing fantastic business. Her husband got double promotion, and they are very happy. Her thyroid levels came down. So this is the power of Vastu.
This seems magical.
Yes, it is magical. It is magical. If you put red color in northeast, you will always have, you will always be in a bad mood because northeast is a zone of head of the Vastu Purush. If you put red color in that, you will not understand what to do with your life. Always in the grumpy mood. All financial losses.
So the mood,
So
the
colors are
studies,
very important.
financially, relationship, health, everything.
Yes,
Colors
everything.
determine the color of
Yes,
the house.
you have to choose right colors while doing Vastu.
But the interior designers, they repaint it with whatever color they want to. They put stuffs where they want to beautify it. So this probably hampers with the Vastu thing.
Yes, definitely, because the interior designer comes in your house with his frame of mind, with the Vastu where he's staying, right? So
Right,
he's going to put whatever his subconscious mind is going to tell you.
right.
Right? For example, one house I did, uh, the house was full of pink, yellow, green, orange, including the ceiling.
Oh, okay.
When I went there, I told first thing you have to change the colors. You have to change the colors to cream. After that, I will balance the house. Because even after balancing the house before the colors, they are not going to get results. The moment he changed the colors and then I balanced, he started getting the result because he, his subconscious mind was into that zone and he applied those colors.
Those colors.
So that matters. So there Vastu comes to cut that pattern of both the interior designers and the clients. So there I play the major role.
Major role, yes. When people go to buy houses, what things should they keep in mind?
Yes, buying a house is a one time they buy in their lifetime, and I feel everyone should follow Vastu, because people nowadays they want to spend a lot of money in interior designing and they don't want to spend on Vastu. First thing, when they go to see a house, what they have to see is there should be a toilet in northeast. That is absolutely no, big no. They should take their compass and check if there is a toilet in northeast. If they can avoid the southwest toilet, also it is fine, but still if it is there, that can be treated. But northeast, absolutely no, because with northeast toilet, you get a lot of health issues, business losses. You will never understand what to do in life. That person is gone if he buys a house with northeast toilet.
Correct.
Second thing is there should be a kitchen in northeast.
Okay.
These two things they should actually see
Okay.
when they rest can be taken care by Vastu.
Like what procedure do you follow when you do Vastu?
When I do Vastu, I need a to the scale plan of the house or any factories or any residences, commercial places. I take the layout of the house, then I take the magnetic north of that particular place, and I grid it. Before gridding, I need to understand. I have to understand that person's problem. What is he facing? Why is he want to go for the Vastu? I write down all his problems.
Okay.
Then I grid it. I match the symptoms with the problem once I grid it. Gridding is there are 32 entrances in a space. Each
32.
direction has, yes, each direction has 8 entrances. Out of that, only 2 entrances are good, but rest can be treated. Yes, only 2 entrances are good. Rest can be treated.
Okay.
After that comes 16 zones. 16 zones has its own attributes. For example, north is a money and opportunity. East is social association where you want to get connected with people. South is relaxation and fame. All your fame or relaxation branding for your business comes from south. West zone is a profit and gain zone. So there are there are total 16. Now I cannot explain all the 16, but three
Correct.
avoid zone definitely I can explain. One is east of south is zone, churning and anxiety zone. That you should be avoiding. Second is south of southwest zone. That is disposal zone. What I was telling, if in that zone, if you sleep, if you keep your photograph, if you keep your books, all property papers, it's gone. It's of no use.
Oh my God.
You sit and work there. You will always say, I put in lot of efforts, but I'm not getting results.
Which
I
zone
have
is it?
changed,
South?
huh?
Which zone are you talking about?
South of southwest. People take it by mistake. People take it for southwest. When you do traditional Vastu, when you do not grid it into 16 zones, people tend to sit in south southwest zone. And they say, "ये हमने वास्तु किया है, but I'm not getting result." But then when you put it into 16 zones, you get exact zones. And that's how I match the symptoms with the problem. And the
Okay.
third is west of northwest zone, detox and depression zone.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So
You
each
divide.
zone has yeah, each attribute for each zone. So then comes the colors.
Yeah, right.
Colors play. I told you about the colors.
Yes.
Fourth comes the activities. Washing plays major role. Washing machine. What is the function of washing machine? It is to wash and spin. If it is in southeast zone, cash liquidity. आपका कैश गोल गोल घूमता रहेगा.
Oh my God. Right.
Yeah, so it should go in east of southeast zone or south of southwest zone. So you can keep all these. Where you keep your dustbin matters a lot. One client of mine, he was telling, ma'am, from last 6 months I am not getting business, I don't know what happened. I asked him, where have you kept your dustbin? So he told, ma'am, jagah change kiya hai. So I said, shift it to some other place. And he shifted in 3 hours. He got 130 lakhs ka order.
अरे बाप
This
रे.
is the, yes, this is a, what is the function of dustbin? Dispose of whatever the zone you keep, that activity is happening in the dustbin.
This is actually giving me goosebumps up. Literal meaning of
I
these
can
things.
tell you, I have each case has each, you know, I have one experiences I can share you. There is never ending experience what I have. One experience I will share you. One more. One of my clients, he's into rent a car business, and his all his keys were in disposal zone. 40-50 cars every day. His car is getting dashed every
Oh,
day, and he told me, ma'am, this is happening. I said, just remove the car keys and car papers and shift it to some other place. For now, you just remove it from there. Immediately, everything stopped. So
oh,
this is the power of e-zone. That's what I want to explain you.
correct. Okay.
Yes.
Quite interesting. Quite interesting.
Ma'am, what is Vastu dosh? Can it be eliminated?
Yes. वास्तु दोष हम जब बोलते हैं तो वो बहुत हैवी हो जाता है और लोगों को डर लगता है. वास्तु दोष, ओ माय गॉड, वास्तु दोष आपके घर में है. इंग्लिश में हम सिंपल बोलेंगे इम्बैलेंस ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, तो कितना अच्छा लगता है.
Exactly.
इम्बैलेंस ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आपके घर में कुछ नहीं है तो ये कितना लाइट हो जाता है. वास्तु दोष यानी बहुत बहुत टेंशन हो जाता है.
Vastu dosh reminds me of Manglik dosh. मतलब it's a heavy word.
So it's balancing of elements. What I told you, Vastu is about balancing the zone, elemental balancing.
Correct.
So each direction has its elements, and that have explained you कि अगर गलत कलर गलत जगह आ जाते हैं तो वो वास्तु दोष. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर टॉयलेट अगर नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आ जाता है तो दैट बिकम्स अ वास्तु दोष. इफ आपका किचन नॉर्थ में आ जाता है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ वास्तु दोष. रेड कलर आ जाता है तो दैट इज अ वास्तु दोष. बट दैट कैन बी डेफिनेटली ट्रीटेड अनलेस दैट पर्सन इज सेइंग कि मुझे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटीज की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. नॉर्थ इज रिलेटेड विद अपॉर्चुनिटीज, हेल्थ रिलेटेड, यू नो, अट्रैक्शन. तो जब वहां किचन आ जाता है, रेड कलर आ जाता है, टॉयलेट आ जाता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड वास्तु दोष. बट दैट कैन बी ट्रीटेड विदाउट एनी डेमोलिशन.
भाई अगर डिमोलिशन हो गया तब तो पूरा घर वापस चेंज करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज नॉट फीजिबल.
यस. तो वास्तु दोष बोल के हमको यहाँ से जाना है? नो, इट कैन बी ट्रीटेड विदाउट डेमोलिशन. देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ डेमोलिशन. यहाँ से दरवाजा तोड़ो, वो यहाँ से एंट्री करना चाहिए. नो, दैट जोन गोज फ्रॉम दैट सेम जोन. हाउ मच एवर यू ब्रेक इट इज ऑफ नो यूज. So you have to balance it with the elemental shift. The bad energy stop coming inside the house. For example, अगर वास्तु दोष कहते हैं, I told north east toilet is absolutely no. If you need to remove the WC when there is a toilet in north east. But rest of the places, how you can remove the vastu dosh? Southwest में if you have a toilet. So what I do is I do a space surgery around a toilet. I put that elemental strip of that zone. Each zone again has elements. North aluminum है, east stainless steel है, south copper है, west is southwest is brass है, northwest is iron. So I use those elements to block that activity, because toilet is a activity which does flushing away unwanted things. अगर वेस्ट में है तो आपका प्रॉफिट सारा फ्लश हो जाएगा. वेस्ट साउथ वेस्ट में है तो आपका इट्स द जोन ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड सेविंग, सारा आपका सेविंग फ्लश आउट हो जाएगा. नॉर्थ में तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज फ्लश हो जाएगी. तो टॉयलेट्स, कलर्स, all these are vastu dosh that can be easily cleared by balancing. It is so simple.
So, ma'am, does these remedies also have a timeline, something like that?
No, that once the vastu is balanced, there is no timeline unless that person follows my instruction for lifetime. आज मुझे रिजल्ट
Okay.
आया नहीं, चल जाएगा, मैं बाद में नहीं चल बिलीव करूंगा और चलेगा. नो, अगेन दैट प्रॉब्लम. बट देन वंस आई बैलेंस विद द एलिमेंट्स, दैट इज परमानेंट. बट few things what I tell them, they have to follow them,
Follow them.
and they have to have faith in him, in what I do.
That is
Because
important. Faith.
yes,
That is what is
your
more
house
important.
is your subconscious mind, and out of your house is your conscious mind. जैसे लाइट भी बंद हो जाती है आपकी, तो यू नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन योर हाउस, कौन सी चीजें कहाँ रखी है,
हाँ.
यू नो इट, राइट?
Right.
दैट्स सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. तो हर एक चीज, वास्तु तो आपको सब कुछ देना चाहता है, लेकिन आप गलत चीजें गलत जगह रख देते हो, तो उस हिसाब से वो आपको क्रिएट करके वो दे देता है. आप तो राइट चीजें राइट जगह पे रखो, तो वो राइट चीजें ही होगी आपके साथ लाइफ में.
इतने सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आपने समझाया ये चीज. Can you please share a few hand-on tips, like say for opportunities, for block payments, or to say, you know, to get married?
Yes. To get opportunities related to any job, you can keep your certificates in North, and you can keep money plant in North, in blue bottle. You start getting opportunities. You can also keep a green seal in North to get opportunities, any kind of opportunities. To get married, you can keep in Southwest two lovebirds in Northwest. Your photograph in Northwest, that is attraction zone. You can keep one in North also. Yes. But sometimes I tell to put a red bulb in Southeast, but then I give as per astro, because sometimes red bulb in South, it doesn't suit as per
Okay.
in general if I give. And what was the third question?
The third was block payment.
Block payment. Nowadays it is a big issue for the block payments. So first thing, I tell my client, anyone if they ask me for this, Southeast zone or Southeast zone is related with the block payment.
Acha.
If there is blue color or black color in that zone, so definitely you are going to have block payment or cash related issue. There won't be a smooth cash flow. So first, if they change the colors in that zone, if they have blue color, change the blue color to cream color, and you can give highlighters of red color. So that can be solved. They have to check if there is a toilet. They have to check if there is a washing machine. If the toilet is there, they can put a red tape around the toilet to cut the activity.
Okay.
If there is a washing machine, they can put a green color cloth over the washing machine.
Okay.
Yes. One more tip. Wish. If you want to manifest a wish, the zone is West zone.
Okay.
If you think I want to, you can write your turnover and write it in the West. You can stick it. Just watch it day in and day out. Morning utho to wish dekho, sone se pehle likho, because when you get up and when you sleep, your subconscious mind is very active during that time, and that's how you manifest. So you stick your wish list in West, and you see the magic.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. How
Usually to my client,
how fast can I get the results?
depends on how you want to manifest, how positive you are.
Positive on the inside
That
and the
depends
outside
on
दोनों दिखा रहे हैं. सिर्फ बाहर भी positive दिखाना,
inside and
अंदर भी नहीं.
outside. People say I am positive, but inside they are not positive.
Right.
Inside there are many blocks. You need to clear those blocks. You have to release those blocks. The moment you start releasing those blocks in you, there is a process for that. So that offline, I'll tell you how you have to do it.
Sure. That is not for our viewers, that is for us. Okay. So these are hand-on tips, viewers. Please apply them and see the magic happening. Just see them happening. And thank us and Satya ma'am later on.
Ma'am, though I'm coming out of the topic, you seem to be an extremely positive person. Virtually, I can feel that vibe. So, ma'am, where do you get this vibe and this energy from?
Same question.
You- Usually, yes, people do say this. It is about when you see in a mirror, you should feel that you are true to yourself and you're true to others. It is self actualization, you know. You need to do a lot of yoga, you need to do a lot of meditation, pranayam. Meditation helps you a lot to become positive. That's how, uh, that is my strength.
Okay.
I carry that vibrations wherever I go. That is a cosmic energy. When I do a lot of meditation, that cosmic energy I carry, and that is the result of, this
So
vibration.
meditation is the key to a lot of things.
Or meditation solves most of your problems in life. It gives you right path to think and move ahead.
This is again an out of context question. It has happened many a time. It keeps on happening that we see numbers in repetition, like double one, yeah, triple one, two, 4 times 2, 3 times 2, 333, 444, 555, 0808, 0505. Like ऐसे numbers जब दिखते हैं बहुत बार. Like what does this mean? Like is it something that universe wants to tell us? मतलब क्या है
Yes,
ये सब?
these are angel numbers. When you see
Angel
one one
numbers.
one,
Okay.
yeah. So universe is trying to communicate with you. It wants to tell you that you are in a manifesting mode. Direct ticket, your universe is giving you direct ticket to manifest. So you watch your thoughts.
Okay.
You have to watch your thoughts when you see 111.
Okay.
Seven
उस वक्त जो
six
सोच रहे
also.
होंगे, angel.
Instantly you have to think what I'm thinking. Change your thoughts. You have to monitor your thoughts.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is an direct entry to manifest.
Wow.
So you have to
Literally.
change your thoughts and think what you want during that time. See, I'm giving you this number. You are seeing this number.
So we can
So
manifest.
whoever is going to see is going to be lucky. He is
Wow.
going to be the fortunate person to see, and he is going to manifest this.
Manifest. So viewers, जो भी मन में ख्वाहिश है, just मांग लो. Universe is there, asking you to ask, telling you to ask. बस मांगो. Double one, extremely lucky number, angelic number.
Yes. Yes.
So it happens with every such numbers. जो repetition में आते हैं.
Yes.
सबका
Yeah.
अलग-अलग मतलब होगा.
Yeah, 222 is just to have faith. Just
Okay.
have faith. Or you need to slow down with whatever you are doing. Have faith and trust.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो पता कैसे चले, क्योंकि ऐसा चीज मतलब दिन में हो जाता है 2-3 बार, और आई गेस सबके साथ भी होता होगा, तो ये मतलब पता कैसे चले कि क्या मैसेज है?
So that you need to understand. You have to have that study.
You have to
You
understand.
should understand that. 222 देखा तो yes, you have to understand कि मुझे अभी गूगल में फाइंड करते हो तो पता चल जाता है 22 का मतलब क्या है, 33
मतलब
का
क्या
मतलब
है?
क्या है. So you will not know, but you will keep seeing 111 तो बहुत बार दिखता है, 222 भी दिखाई देता है. So इसका मतलब क्या है? If you know it, then it will happen.
Right. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है, रात को नींद खुलता है तो 222 एंड ये कंटिन्यूअसली हो रहा था. रात को ही आई गूगल कि व्हाट डज 222 मीन. तो पता चला तो अच्छा लगा कि हाँ, some connection is happening.
Yes,
So these
you
are
have to
angelic
have
numbers.
faith and trust in whatever you are thinking or doing.
Yes. Okay. It has been one solid session with you. It has been, my God, I just can't tell you what a session it has been. This is pure magical. I am sure that our viewers will definitely start thinking on these lines to their advantage. Vastu is a vast subject, no doubt, where we just discussed a minuscule portion, which itself gives us so much information. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being a part of Talk Free. It has been our pleasure.
Thank you, Preeti and Sanjay. It was great talking to you, and thank you so much for inviting me. It was my pleasure.
It's good.
This indeed has been absolutely magical. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us. And viewers, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Top 3, FB page, Top 3, Instagram, Top 3 underscore, and Twitter, Top 3 6. See you next Friday with a fresh new topic. Until then, it's me, Sanjay, Satya ma'am, and PM signing off.
And remember to talk free.